I accidentally disconnecting it, but these are the meatballs. I'm gonna cook the spaghetti with carrots and meatballs. I'm gonna let this brown and cook. My spaghetti, I'm gonna add carrots. Spaghetti, I already boiled it and sauteed with garlic and onion. And also I'm gonna add ground beef. Since my video got disconnected, this is the ingredients that I use on my meatballs. I put a little bit parsley, ground beef, a little bit sea salt, and onion powder. I don't measure it, I just sprinkle it, and garlic powder. And the sauce, I got ragu, chunky salted onion, and garlic sauce. I buy one and get one free. And I'll mix it with another spaghetti sauce. And this is the spaghetti that I use. And on these meatballs, I also add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of flour. And mix it all up. Turning them over on the other side. So the meatballs are done. Now I'm cooking the ground beef, the meat. I remove the oil a little bit and then now I add the garlic. I add the garlic, now I'm going to add the red onion. I'm going to mix everything. Turn it up the heat, a medium, not medium, like a little bit higher. And then I'm just gonna mix all these. It smells good already. So now I'm gonna add garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flakes, black pepper, and sea salt. I add the 1 small can of spaghetti sauce. Now I'm going to add the 1 ragu sauce. Now I'm going to mix it all up and add the spaghetti. I'm going to add this. So I add that. Now I'm going to add all these ground beef balls. Smells good. too hot here. I'm in the kitchen cooking. So my spaghetti meatballs is done. Also, I'm gonna make garlic bread. I put the garlic bread in the oven for a couple minutes. So my spaghetti meatballs is done. So now I'm just waiting for my garlic breads, and I'm so hot. I put a fan over here. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please continue to support my channel, which is Pinay Real Life in the USA. Thank you. You'll have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.